that one format, no, x cos alpha plus y sin alpha gives length of normal. Length of normal is nothing but perpendicular distance of line from origin. Perpendicular distance of line from origin. Okay, so suppose it is supposed to be like this, 2x minus of 3y plus 7 is equal to 0. Suppose they ask for what is alpha. So alpha, what it represents technically, the angle made by length of normal, that is a perpendicular distance with x-axis. So that is what is alpha. It has nothing to do with the, I mean, it's connected, but it is not the exactly the slope or the angle of line with x-axis. Fine. So in one way, we can say the angle of line with x-axis after subtracting 90 pi by 2 from that, you get alpha. So that one connection we can make. Okay, because this theta exterior angle is sum of opposite interior angles of a triangle. So going by that rule, you will get theta is nothing but alpha plus pi by 2. But straight away, how to convert this equation into this kind of equation? So take the 7 constant term to the right side. Then what we should do, make the RHS that contains constant term, you have to make it positive. So how will you make it positive? You need to go for change of sign. So negative 2x plus 3y gives 7. So and now after this step, you have to divide LHS and RHS by square root of a square plus b square. You know the symbols are obviously the same, the coefficient of x and coefficient of y. So it will be negative 2x by root 13 plus 3y by root 13 gives 7 by root 13 also. Now this is perfectly considered identical to x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is p. Okay, the reason why we made the RHS positive is because the length of normal has to be positive, because this is a length basically. So now we got all answers clear. So the length of normal is 7 by root over 13. We got cos alpha is minus 2 by root 13 and sin alpha positive 3 by root 13. What does that mean? Cos positive and sin negative implies the alpha belongs to the second quadrant. Belongs to second quadrant. So it's just an obtuse angle. So you can give tan inverse of alpha. You can consider tan inverse of negative 3 by 2. More precisely, you can give it as pi minus tan inverse of positive 3 by 2, so that it conveys, because the principal value for inverse trigonometry, last class we did inverse trigonometry, you know, this will take you to fourth quadrant. So that is not correct. So you have to write it exactly as pi minus tan inverse of 3 by 2. So this is one kind of conceptual correction. I thought you will, it might be useful for you. Okay, so how to express any given line in the form of x cos alpha, y sin alpha equal to p. Find